I hope you are doing well and you had a fantastic 2022. Okay, shall we start? Okay, so the highlights of the 2022 for blockchain. Actually, blockchain group was reoriented and in order to meet the current market needs and expand initiative and create more awareness and bring people into the participation, the group was reformed and into the committee from the technical work group, and technical work group was archived at the moment. So we built a new, so the focus was on restructuring the blockchain and into the committee. And that means that we built a storage blockchain committee, and the goal for the storage blockchain committee is to create awareness and adoption of the blockchain storage technology and promote SNIA to the blockchain community, providing education initiatives, best practices, and what actually SNIA as a professional organization with the long history and vast experience can bring to the blockchain community, which is rapidly expanding and innovating. And then the transition, like I mentioned, was to educate from the work group to the committee was focused, will be focused on educating vendors, solution providers, and user communities about storage and what the blockchain storage brings as a value add to the blockchain current projects in an open source and other groups, events, initiatives, and etc. And advocate and support any technical work which will be associated with the blockchain security and proof of asset. So that was the, so we finalized the blockchain and created a committee. So the goals for the 2023 would be to finalize and publish a white paper, which has been started in 2022, create a blockchain and Web3 education series and invite speakers. So this probably will need support from the SNIA in terms of creating some sort of partnerships or strategic partnerships with the blockchain communities and Web3.0 communities to bring an education series and create like a joint TED Talks or Bright Talks and etc. Establish collaboration with our storage and SNIA groups. Continue and build more relationships with Ethereum and Filecoin foundations. We have a number of the social platforms and groups that are currently actively working. So it would be great if we establish a closer relationship and then work on building alliances to advocate the storage blockchain and what it brings to the community overall. And then one of the goals would be to produce a SNIA blockchain conference with collaboration of the other groups. So there is a number of the blockchain conferences today, and I hope that we can expand that initiative and build one blockchain conference. The membership as of January 18, 2023, we have AMD, we have Bloomberg, Broadcom, Dell, Hitachi, Huawei, IBM, Inspur, Intel, Marvell, Micron, Nutanix, Phison, Smart Modular, Solid, VMware, Western Digital, and Yanzi. And in terms of community participation, what is expected on the industry impact of this work? Blockchain technology already has a widespread adoption, and even today you can see how it's pivoted from January 1st into this new rise, I would say, on the market. And having a solution for storage interoperability can bring this adoption to a higher level. Blockchain storage community will expose the need for interoperability standards, promote them as they develop by the technical community. What's the industry segment relevance? It's software vendors, application developers, open source community developers, and system developers all are adopting the blockchain technology today. Even health sector, health industry is adopting blockchain. Why should you join and participate in this committee? Members will address the needs of the education and storage blockchain. They'll engage in alliance building and marketplace-driven activities. We also will promote the SNIA overall goals and objectives. Since what SNIA working today on is valuable to overall blockchain community per se. And then all interested parties can participate without concern for intellectual IP property boundaries, and that's very critical. In terms of interest, you can send an email to askblockchain@snia.org, and it will one of us is either Tom, Parmesh, or yours truly will respond to any request for information.